I recently passed the AWS Cloud Practitioner exam, and in this video, I'll show you exactly what resources I used and how I managed to pass on my first attempt without spending a single dollar. And I'll show you exactly how I studied, which free resources I used, and most importantly, how you can take this exam for free. Yes, although it costs $100, but I'll show you that you can take it for free, no strings attached. So you don't need to pay for Udemy courses or any other online training platforms to prepare for this certification. AWS provides free official training courses through AWS Skill Builder that cover everything you need to know. There are two courses that I use to prepare. The first one is AWS Cloud Practitioner Essentials. If you're new to cloud computing, this is the perfect starting point. It explains all key AWS concepts and services in a beginner-friendly way. I completed this course and I highly recommend it. The second one is the Exam Prep Standard course for the AWS Certified Cloud Practitioner. This course is designed for those who already have some cloud knowledge and want a focused study plan for the exam. It covers all necessary topics and is essential if you want to qualify for the 100% free exam voucher, which I will explain in a moment. I personally completed this course and I highly recommend it for you as well. So once you have completed the training, it's time for you to test your knowledge with free practice questions. I have already done the work for you and found the best free resources is out there. The first one is the Exam Prep official question set for the AWS Certified Cloud Practitioner exam. This is the official AWS practice question set. You must complete it and get a passing grade. If you fail, retry until you pass. This is also a requirement for the free exam voucher. The second one is the AWS Skill Builder Becoming a Cloud Practitioner full quiz. A set of 65 randomized questions to assess your understanding. It also includes links to AWS documentation, helping you strengthen the weak areas. Second one is the AWS Cloud Practitioner exam questions on Quizlet. Flashcards set that help me review key concepts quickly. I recommend installing the Quizlet mobile app so you can study on the go, even without your computer. Now that you are fully prepared for the exam, it's time to schedule your exam, but don't pay for it. There's a simple way to get a 100% free exam voucher from AWS. Now I'll walk you through the step-by-step process of how to claim your free voucher and register for the exam without spending a dime. In order to get the 100% voucher that I mentioned before in this video, follow the following steps. So I want you to go to this link. I'll put the link in the description of the video and register for the AWS Educate. It will help you build your cloud skills at your own pace, at your own time, and completely for free. There's no charge at all for this. So once you click on register now, it's going to take you to this registration page. Make sure to fill your information and create an account. You have to verify your account, and once you're done with the verification, you can just log in. So once you're logged into the AWS Educate, make sure to come on from course features, complete any of the batch. Choose the batch and complete any of them. I would recommend completing the introduction to generative artificial intelligence because it's less than an hour. It's not going to take too much time. And once you're done, once you complete that 100%, you will receive an email in about a few hours to a day, and they will invite you to join the emerging talent community. So when you receive that email, you have to join that. They do have an onboarding, and then you will have access to this. So I'll go to the home. So once you join the emerging talent community, you will have tasks. Each task has some sort of points. So if you go to this block, for example, you must go through this block. It is important that you go to this specific article, for example, and then once you read this article, for example, you have to come here, and there are some questions that you complete. For example, let's say how familiar you are with technical security concepts. I would say somewhat familiar. I say complete. So once you complete that, you see I receive points here. So once you receive points, you can redeem these points with the free certification here. So if you click on that and then say rewards, so with rewards, what you can do? I don't say do this, etc digital background, and just give you a wallpaper. It's not recommended at all. Don't use that, don't spend that on that. But you have the foundational voucher, 100% discount. If you collect 4,500 of these points, I'm about 3,000, I need a 1,500, although I have passed it already. So once you get 4,500 points, you can just request your reward. But as mentioned before, you have to complete the AWS Skill Builder Exam Prep course that the link will be provided in the description of the video, and also have completed at least Skill Builder Certification Practice exam that also mentioned that is important, getting a score of 70% or higher, and that's it. So when you're starting preparing for the certification, I would say start the official course, and then beside that start this one also. So by the time you finish your course and you're prepared for the certification, you have already collected up the 4,500 points, and then you can request for a reward and you can redeem that. So you're not going to pay for the training, not for the practice questions or practice sets, not for the exam itself. So that's how you can get the 100% voucher for the AWS Certified Cloud Practitioner exam. By following this method, you can pass the AWS Certified Cloud Practitioner exam without spending any money on your first attempt. I hope this guide helps you achieve your certification successfully. If you find this video helpful, like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment if you're planning to take the exam. Stay tuned for more videos. See you in the next video.